Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. If you want to improve your spoken English in a natural and fun way, you're in the right place. In today's episode, Spark and Xena are going to have a romantic conversation as a couple. This will help you learn dating vocabulary and how to express your feelings. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak along with them. Let's get started. Hey babe, you look beautiful today.
Oh, thank you. You always know how to make me smile.
I mean it. That dress looks amazing on you.
You're so sweet. So, what do you want to do tonight?
I was thinking we could go out for dinner. There's a new Italian restaurant downtown.
Ooh, I love Italian food. Is it the one everyone's been talking about?
Yes, that one. I already made a reservation for 7 p.m.
You're the best. I've been craving pasta all week.
I know you have. That's why I picked Italian.
You pay so much attention to what I like. That's what I love about you.
Well, you're my girlfriend. Of course I pay attention.
Not all guys are like that, you know. I'm lucky to have you.
I'm the lucky one. You make me so happy.
You make me happy too. Remember our first date?
How could I forget? We went to that coffee shop and you spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh my God, don't remind me. I was so embarrassed.
It was actually cute. You were so nervous.
I was. I really liked you and didn't want to mess up.
Well, you definitely didn't mess up. Look at us now, 6 months later.
6 months already? Time flies when you're with the right person.
It really does. I can't imagine my life without you now.
That's so romantic. You're making me blush.
Good. I love seeing you blush.
Stop it. You're such a flirt.
Only with you, babe. So after dinner, maybe we can take a walk by the lake?
That sounds perfect. The weather is so nice tonight.
Yeah, and we can watch the sunset together.
You know how much I love sunsets. You're planning the perfect date.
I try my best. You deserve the best.
You're gonna make me cry. Why are you so perfect?
I'm not perfect, but I'm perfect for you.
That's the sweetest thing anyone's ever said to me.
I mean it. You bring out the best in me.
You bring out the best in me too. We're really good together.
We are. Hey, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Where do you see us in the future? Like a year from now?
Wow, that's a deep question, but I like it.
I've been thinking about it a lot lately.
Well, honestly, I see us even closer than we are now. Maybe living together?
Really? You'd want to move in together?
Yeah, I think so. But only if you want to. No pressure.
I've been thinking about that too. I'd love to wake up next to you every morning.
That would be amazing. We could cook breakfast together, watch movies.
And argue about who does the dishes.
Hey, I always do the dishes.
I'm just kidding, babe. I do all the dishes if it makes you happy.
You're so silly, but that's why I love you.
Wait, what did you just say?
I said, that's why I love you.
You love me?
Yes, I do. I love you, Spark.
I love you too, Xena. I've wanted to say it for weeks.
Really? Why didn't you?
I didn't want to scare you away. I thought it was too soon.
It's not too soon when it feels right, and this feels right.
It really does. Come here.
What?
Just come closer. I want to hold you.
Okay, this is nice.
You fit perfectly in my arms.
I could stay like this forever.
Me too. You know what? This is the best day ever.
Just because I said I love you?
That, and because I get to spend it with my favorite person.
You're my favorite person too. I'm so glad we met.
Me too. Thank you for being in my life.
Thank you for treating me so well. Not everyone is as caring as you.
You deserve to be treated like a queen.
And you deserve to be treated like a king.
We're a good team.
The best team. So what time should I be ready for dinner?
I'll pick you up at 6:30. That gives us time to get there.
Perfect. I'm already excited.
Me too. It's going to be a great night.
Every night with you was a great night.
You're making me fall even more in love with you.
Good. That's my goal.
Mission accomplished, babe. Mission accomplished. Okay, guys, so that was a romantic conversation between a couple.
We hope you learned some sweet phrases and dating vocabulary today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, English Go Easy.
And press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming English lessons.
We'll meet you in the next episode with a new interesting topic.
Till then, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.
See you soon!